Next time someone tells you you can't draw to save your life, they lie. I drew and saved mine. These are some of the cards that I drew in 2025. About 500 cards that helped me to decode and confirm a lot. And so now I enjoy deep breaths in an open field, and you're receiving good news. The good news is that you're flourishing. In other news, the tower, with this backfire and the high winds that are up right now, high winds that you went through, the tower, for them, you went through an uphill challenge. Like a buzzard came at you. Others made it through. Ones made it through and some helped. You got help along the way. Higher help. And now it's emotional balance. You see yourself in a mirror, a new beginning, a new you. Your intricate design is so amazing. Now is the time for awakening. Be calm. You are calm. Now, you're a treasure. You are a treasure. And someone had a hidden agenda. And negativity, every negativity sent my way is transmuted for my highest good. You hear that? Hear that confirmation? You're always in the right place, in the right timing. And now you know your worth. You're flourishing. You can full joy deep breaths in an open field. Receive this good news. Overcome that challenge. To be in that emotional balance. Purified yourself from that energy. Those hidden agendas, high winds, dragon's breath, fiery. And you are now in abundance, flourishing. Abundance, deep breaths in an open field. Good news. Yeah. Most of all, you know your worth. And this can find and match you only by frequency. Now you have peace of mind as a treasure that you are, living in gratitude with your divine nature. Tú eres un tesoro. You have consistency and discipline, multidimensional support, refreshing rain there. Rain means what? Purification. We'll rest it there, shall we? Yes, we shall. On the other hand, and on your hand is the waterfall of abundance, is your worth, your flourishing. Good news. Good news. Purification.